Keto diet for a beginner's meal plan. You might be considering attempting a low-carb eating strategy like the ketogenic diet if you want to jumpstart your efforts toward reaching your health and fitness goals. It's a popular diet jargon that you may have heard before, but you may need to learn what it means. But before we jump in, give this video a like and press that subscribe button. Do you need a keto meal plan you can follow? Check out this keto diet plan for 1 week if you're just starting to get off to a good start. An introduction is provided below. The well-known ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carb diet. You should aim for moderate protein in your diet plan in the interim. This means that it differs greatly from the trendy low-fat diet strategies of the past and, really, from other diets in general. A keto diet startup guide. I've put together a simple menu of keto meals to assist you in starting the first week for those of you who want to try keto but aren't sure where to begin. Everything from keto meal ideas to keto snacks is covered in this. To get you started, my goal is to simplify the ketogenic diet and make it simple and less daunting. A comprehensive ketogenic diet food list. The healthiest foods to eat while on the keto diet are listed below, along with portion amounts and an explanation of why they're beneficial for those who follow this eating plan. Avocado oil. Coconut oil, in moderation. MCT oil. Cheddar cheese. Heavy cream, in moderation. Bacon. Chicken thighs. Eggs. Ground beef. New York strip steak. Asparagus. Avocado. Bok choy. Cauliflower. Celery. Cucumber. Green peppers. Lettuce. White mushrooms. Zucchini. A 7-day sample menu for the keto diet. Day 1. Breakfast scrambled eggs in butter on a bed of lettuce topped with avocado. Snack sunflower seeds. Lunch spinach salad with grilled salmon. Snack celery and pepper strips dipped in guacamole. Dinner pork chop with cauliflower mash and red cabbage slaw. Day 2. Breakfast bulletproof coffee, made with butter and coconut oil, hard-boiled eggs. Snack macadamia nuts. Lunch tuna salad stuffed with tomatoes. Snack roast beef and sliced cheese roll-ups. Dinner meatballs on zucchini noodles, topped with cream sauce. Day 3. Breakfast cheese and veggie omelette topped with salsa. Snack plain, full-fat Greek yogurt topped with crushed pecans. Lunch sashimi takeout with miso soup. Snack smoothie made with almond milk, greens, almond butter, and protein powder. Dinner roasted chicken with asparagus and sautéed mushrooms. Day 4. Breakfast smoothie made with almond milk, greens, almond butter, and protein powder. Snack 2 hard-boiled eggs. Lunch chicken tenders made with almond flour on a bed of greens with cucumbers and goat cheese. Snack sliced cheese and bell pepper slices. Dinner grilled shrimp topped with a lemon butter sauce with a side of asparagus. Day 5. Breakfast fried eggs with bacon and a side of greens. Snack a handful of walnuts with a 1/4 cup of berries. Lunch grass-fed burger in a lettuce bun, topped with avocado and a side salad. Snack celery sticks dipped in almond butter. Dinner baked tofu with cauliflower rice, broccoli, and peppers, topped with a homemade peanut sauce. Day 6. Breakfast baked eggs in avocado cups. Snack kale chips. Lunch poached salmon avocado rolls wrapped in seaweed, rice-free. Snack meat-based bar, turkey or pork. Dinner grilled beef kebabs with peppers and sautéed broccolini. Day 7. Breakfast eggs scrambled with veggies, topped with salsa. Snack dried seaweed strips and cheese. Lunch sardine salad made with mayo in half an avocado. Snack turkey jerky, look for no added sugars. Dinner broiled trout with butter, sautéed bok choy. Budget-friendly ways to adopt the keto diet. Nuts and other unprocessed foods, as well as avocados and low-carb berries, can be very expensive, especially if they are not previously included in your budget. Fortunately, there are a few tips you may use to save money while consuming a ketogenic diet. Bulk purchases of nuts and frozen vegetables are only 2 examples. Which snacks are the best choices? Because the traditional go-tos, such as chips, crackers, and granola bars, are forbidden on the keto diet, snacking can be challenging. Because of their higher carbohydrate content, starchier whole foods that are typically seen as healthful, like bananas, won't fly either. Due to how satisfying fat can be, many people report that they are less hungry when following the ketogenic diet. However, even if you don't consider yourself a snacker, you should always have keto-friendly foods on hand, on your desk at work and in your handbag or backpack, in case you are hungry. Some nuts, particularly meats, olives, cheese, and other high-fat, low-carb foods are okay. Many businesses are entering the keto diet market and developing specialized goods that eliminate the uncertainty involved in calculating macronutrient intake. Some people have even attempted to imitate popular snack foods with high carbohydrate content, such as candy, potato chips, and even cookies. When you snack, it's crucial to limit those alternatives and focus more on whole foods. Summary. Use this guide to create nutritious keto meals and snacks, and ideally consult a qualified dietitian nutritionist. And before making significant changes to your eating routine to assist manage or avoid a health condition, be sure to receive approval from your complete healthcare team. Tell us in the comment section which one of these ketogenic diet food you like most. Plus, don't forget to like, comment, and share the video and stay tuned to find out more. Goodbye until next time.
Lit. Roll up to the